Ho, ho, ho! It's me, Santa Claus. Let's get ready for math. I'm just kidding. It's me, Mrs. Barnard. Did I fool you? Let's get ready for math, mathematicians. Today we're going to look at lesson 6-9 from your book. You can find this on page 335. This lesson is 3 pages long. Lesson 6-9. You will need your book today, you'll need the papers from your book, and then you will need 2 crayons, red and blue. Go ahead and push pause so that you can get the materials you need to be successful today, and then push play when you come back. All right, we're going to skip this first page. We're not even going to do it. You can turn your page right now. Grown-ups, if you're watching and wondering why, it's because it's asking for materials that I don't think everybody has, and it's just going to be easier to just move on. So here we go. I'm on this page right here. Have this page ready. Set your things down. Let's take a look at today's math video. Here we go.
Patterns can help you solve addition equations. You can look for patterns in the blocks and equations.
I can use patterns to make 5.
What pattern do you see in the blue numbers?
Let's take a close look at this. In the blue numbers, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. They go down by 1 each time. What pattern do you see in the red numbers?
Do you see it?
Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They go up by 1 each time. What do you notice about the equations?
I'm going to skip that guy this time. But look at those equations. What do you notice in each one? Do you see anything?
The amounts being added always equal 5. What do you notice about these pairs of equations?
Let's look closely at this. Watch. I want to look at this one right here. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. They both equal 5. They did the turnaround. We've talked about that before, haven't we? 1 and 4 is 5, and 4 and 1 is 5. Let's look at this one. 3 plus 2 equals 5, and 2 plus 3 equals 5. They both equal 5. These two numbers are just turned around. 3 and 2 is 5, and 2 and 3 is 5. How cool!
The same numbers are added, but they are added in a different order. How are the equations 3 plus 2 equals 5 and 2 plus 3 equals 5 alike? Both are equal to 5, but the numbers are added in a different order. How are the equations 4 plus 1 equals 5 and 1 plus 4 equals 5 alike? They are both equal to 5, but the numbers are added in a different order. What can you say about numbers that you add? The numbers can be in a different order, and they still add up to the same answer. Now you know how to use patterns to add numbers together.
All right, mathematicians, let's take a look at some of these patterns. Remember, I said you will need a blue crayon and a red crayon today. I'm going to start with blue. so please pick up your blue crayon. We are going to color to show a way to make 4, and then we're going to write our equation to match these boxes. I want you to color all 4 of them blue. 1, and do you see? Remember, I'm not scribbling, but I am coloring quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is just one way to make 4. There are lots of other ways. Let's write an equation that matches this way. We did 4 blues plus 0 reds, and that equals 4 in all. 4 plus 0 equals 4. Let's do some more together and look at some patterns. All right, here we go. Let's start with our blue crayon again. We're going to show different ways to make 4. We just did 4 and 0. This time, we're going to start with 3 blues. 1, 2, 3, and 1 red. Now let's write the equation that matches. 3 for the 3 blues plus, what was the red part? 1 equals, how many blocks in all? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in all. Stick with me. This will make sense when we get a little bit further down. All right, let's go back to blue. This time, let's see if we can follow this pattern. Watch. 3, 2. Oh, we're supposed to color 2 blues this time. 1, 2. Very good. Let's color the rest of them red. 1, 2. Let's write the equation that matches. There's the 2 for the 2 blues. Plus, what was the red part? Oh yeah, 2. Equals, let's see, 2 plus 2 more. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's still 4. 4 in all. Look at this pattern, you guys. 3, 2. What number do you think will go there? Let's write it right now. 3, 2, 1. And let's go ahead and put the plus sign right now. We know what goes there. Look at this pattern. 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's write the equal sign right now because we know what goes there. Let's look at the pattern for this. Equals 4, equals 4. It's going to be equals 4 again. Look at this equation. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Let's show that. Get your blue crayon. What will be our blue part? Oh yeah, 1. Because look, we did 3, then we did 2. Now we will do 1. Switch to red. What will the red part be? Oh yeah, 3. Because look, we did 1 red, then 2 reds. Now it's 3 reds. Wow, look at this pattern. Let's see if we can get the equation on the last one. Follow the pattern. 3, 2, 1, 0. Put the plus sign. Switch to the red part. What will the red part be? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the 4. Equals. Oh, I gotta get myself out of the way. I'll have to move it again. Move in a minute again. Let's look at this pattern. Equals 4, equals 4, equals 4, equals 4. Look at this equation. 0 plus 4 equals 4. Let's color the blocks to match. What will the blue part be? 0. So no blues. And that makes sense. Look. 3 blues, 2 blues, 1 blue, 0 blues. Get your red crayon. What will the red part be? 1 red, 2 reds, 3 reds, 4 reds. Color them red. Very good. 0 plus 4 equals 4. Look at all of these different ways we showed 4. Patterns in math are so much fun. All right, my loves. Now, we're going to do this part together because now we're going to look at the turnaround for some of these. Watch this and follow along. Remember, if I'm going a little bit too fast, you can always push pause until you get caught up and then push play again when you're ready. All right, my friends, watch this. 1 plus how many equals 4? I'm going to tell you 3. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 1 and 3 more. When we put them together, that's 4 in all. Let's do the turnaround. I did 1 plus 3. Now it's 3 plus 1 equals 4. Look at this. Both times it equals 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And 3 plus 1 equals 4. It doesn't matter which order we add, the answer is always the same. Let's do some more. 2 plus how many equals 5? 2 plus how many equals 5? Let me show you quickly how to do this. You don't need to know how to do this yet on your own, but we can try it. All right, 2, and then how many more until I get to 5? Let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, what's the missing part? 3. Here we go. All right, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's see if we can find the turnaround. Put the plus sign here and the equal sign here, just so that part's already done. If 2 plus 3 equals 5, what's the turnaround? 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2. 2 and 3 equals 5 and 3 plus 2 equals 5. Very good. Let's do another one. Come down here to number 8 flag. Let's write another pair of equations to show a way that equals 5. I like to put the plus sign and the equal sign there right away, just so that part is already done. Let's find another turnaround. Ooh, I know one. 0 and 5 equal 5. What's the turnaround for 0 plus 5? Turn the numbers around. Yeah, it's 5 plus 0 equals 5. Turnarounds are fun. Ooh, look at this challenge for number 9 kite. Listen to this and see if you can figure it out. Oh my goodness. 100 plus 200 equals 300. So then what is 200 plus 100? Do you know it already? Are you shouting it out? Let me say it again. 100 plus 200 equals 300. So what is 200 plus 100? Did you get it? If you said 300, you are correct. Great job. All right, mathematicians, you can do this page for homework if you would like to, but it's not required. The practice is always great, but if you're ready for a break, it's okay. I'll see you later. Great job today. Oh no, I almost forgot. I did want to show you the Another Look video. Let's do that really quick, and then you're free to go. Let me get it ready for you. You're probably thinking, oh, Mrs. Barnard, and that's okay. All right, one more video. Here we go.
Hey there! Glad you could join me. We're going to look for patterns that can help us add numbers together. Let's look at the different ways we can make 4. First, there's 0 plus 4 equals 4. The second one shows the equation 1 plus 3 equals 4. This one models 2 plus 2 equals 4. The next one shows the equation 3 plus 1 equals 4. And this last one models 4 plus 0 equals 4. Do you see any patterns in the numbers? Let's look at the sums first. We know that all the equations are equivalent because all the sums are the same. 4. Now let's look at the add-ins. Notice as the first add-ins go up by 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The second add-ins go down by 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here's one more useful thing to know. It doesn't matter in which order you add the numbers. See, 0 plus 4 and 4 plus 0 equal 4. And both 1 plus 3 and 3 plus 1 equal 4. Remember, looking for patterns can help you solve equations. Thanks for stopping by. Goodbye.
Thanks for sticking around to watch that last video. Bye-bye.